this versus that.
All right, good morning. Let's break out that cup of coffee.
Hey, welcome back. How are we doing today? Hopefully we're doing really good. I know I am. Okay, go ahead and pull up a seat and we'll go ahead and get started. Hi, my name is Melinda and I'm from Malindasdesigns. Today we're going to do a video on this versus that. Now with today's video, I want to show you a few variations of different yarns that are available out there that I totally enjoy using myself. But before I get started, I want you to please pull up a chair and take a screenshot of this video and be sure to share this on your Instagram stories. And once you do, please be sure to tag me in it. And when you do this, I will go ahead and do a shout out for you because of doing so. So if there's a certain company that you are with, whether it's yours or someone that you're tagged along with that you would like to have be seen, here's your opportunity. Alright, go ahead, take a screenshot. Alright, now, this right here, Premier Home, I absolutely love this cotton yarn. It has 131 yards, which isn't really a whole lot, but however, it works. I've made shawls with this, I've made headbands with this, I made a sun visor with this. It's a really nice yarn. Of course, you know, with it having cotton in it, it helps out for washing and it doesn't stretch and give, which is what I like. Now, Red Heart, which is another fave of mine, I absolutely love Red Heart, is acrylic. Now when you're making clothing, unfortunately, it gives. It doesn't give more of a structure with cotton, if you understand what I'm saying, versus when you use acrylic. You'll have to excuse me, I'm sitting outside and I have a couple people going around with their little golf carts and stuff like that, so if you see me moving my head, I'm sorry. Alright, the next thing I wanted to show you was this Bernat blanket brights. I love how this feels. Like, oh my god, this is so soft. It's almost like that, I don't know, those blankets that you can get at the store, which aren't very expensive. Anyways, I love how this feels, especially on my skin. So when I make these blankets, it feels really good. Versus that, which is a really old yarn that I actually found deep down in my closet. I don't even know if this is actually around anymore, but this Romex Sport, it's really thin. It's only a 3-ply, of course, but however, this is a 6-ply, so there's a huge difference in the two. Alright, well, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your time, and all those that share my videos and also take screenshots and give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. I really appreciate y'all's support. Y'all are awesome. Alright, talk to you later. Alright. Bye.